Today we're looking at a company called Global Ship Lease. I'm considering buying shares in this company using my Trading 212 platform, where the stock is shown here, and my free trade platform where the stock is shown here. Global Ship Lease. We'll have a run through of what the company does and why I'm considering making an investment. Global Ship Lease, New York Stock Exchange, ticker code GSL. It owns and operates container ships of various sizes, 65 in total as of March 2022. The total capacity is 342,348, so it's 342,348 20-foot equivalent container units. What this basically means is the total number of ships can carry this quantity of containers if they're all fully loaded and sailing at one time. And this is based on a 20-foot container, effectively one of those steel containers with two doors on the end, and they're 20 foot long. The mid-sized ships is the type owned, and they are Panamax and post-Panamax. This is the type of ship owned by Global Ship Lease, and these are the size limits for ships travelling through the Panama Canal, which is a massive shortcut across the Americas. Ships larger than Panamax, post-Panamax, and these are larger than Panamax and do not fit into the original canal locks. So the company also owns Panamax, which were the larger ships that had passed through the Panama Canal until they enlarged the locks so they could enlarge the ships, and then they're called post-Panamax, which have a larger carrying capacity. The post-Panamax holds 13,000 containers, 20-foot containers, and this is abbreviated as TEU, 20-foot equivalent units, because a lot of the time the containers are 40 foot, so consequently two 20 foots equates to one 40 foot. The current price of the stock is $23.15. The 52-week range is $15.30 to $30.02. As I said, the current price is $23.15. The price target upside is 33.9%. That's correct. Analysts predict that the value of this stock can rise by 33%. The dividend payout, this is another very interesting fact, is 6.75%, and it should financially be able to maintain paying this dividend in the future. 44.9% of the stock is held by institutions such as hedge funds, etc. This is a sign of strong market trust in the company. The PE ratio, the price to earnings ratio, is 3.66. The sector average is 7.09. So 3.66 is the number of years earnings at the current rate it would take to cover the cost of the stock. So essentially you'd need just over 3.5 years worth of earnings, and that would cover your initial payment of the stock. And as I say, the market average is 7.09, so it's well below the market average. It's another factor that draws me to this possibility of investing. The price to book ratio is 1.07. Anything below 3 indicates the company is reasonably priced with respect to its assets and liabilities. So based on this, I am going to make a purchase in Global Ship Lease. I've got a choice of two flat platforms to use to make my purchase on. As I said, this is the trading 212 platform, and this is my free trade platform. So Global Ship Lease, UK based company, well established, owns lots of mid-sized container ships, 65 in fact, Panamax size and post Panamax size, as I mentioned, and as I said, there's a great deal of potential, good dividend payout of over 6%, and a possibility of the value of the stock rising over 30%. So I'll be investing in Global Ship Lease. Hope you found this video interesting. Till next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.